How to fix Safari crashes in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, we're tackling a common issue that many iPhone users face: Safari crashing in iOS 18.1. If Safari keeps freezing or crashing on you, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First, check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 18.1. If an update is available, install it as it may include fixes for Safari. Clear Safari history and website data. Swipe back to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps. Here, search for Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data to remove any corrupted data that may be causing Safari to crash. Disable experimental features in Safari. In Safari settings, scroll down and tap Advanced. Disable any features that might be causing conflicts. Free up storage space. Go back to Settings, tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Check your storage and delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Insufficient storage can cause apps like Safari to malfunction. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume up/down for iPhone models with Face ID. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Open Safari and check if the issue persists. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Safari crashes in iOS 18.1. I hope this helped. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.